Good morning. It's Wednesday. I have had a little hiatus for a couple of days, and I've just come back to this little series on the budget. Today we're going to talk about the capital gains capital gains tax changes, and what the opportunities there are. So, firstly, fundamentally, the capital gains change has gone from being a 50% discount to a indexed amount, so against inflation, which will need to be worked out. Then it is taxed at 30%. And I have an issue with that, but that's not for today. So where this opportunity is, number one is valuers. Valuers are going to make a lot of money in the next 12 months because everyone's going to have to get, well, in my opinion, everyone's going to have to get their investment property valued. Talk to your accountant about that, okay? Number two is you could sell and not be under the new rules. However, again, and now analyse that and discuss it with your accountant before you rush into it. So there's one option. You could sell your investment property, take the capital gain and be done with it, start again. The other thing to think about is opportunities. We come back to commercial property because under, and new build, so under the proposed changes, if you have a commercial property or a new build property, you can choose whether it is done under the existing tax regime of a 50% discount prior to assessing a gain, or using the indexation method, whichever is lower for you. So you actually get a choice. And that's probably not the worst thing in the world, is to think about that from a commercial property point of view. You do have that choice, and so therefore commercial properties are actually more slow growing, which suits the indexation method better for you. So that is certainly something to think about there. Is a commercial property and the opportunities that does persist. Capital gains tax does not apply to super funds. That's the other thing to note as well. All right, that's it for today. Tomorrow we're going to talk about trusts, and then I'll do a summary, and that'll be the series done. So we'll finish them on Friday of this week. All right, peace out. Bye.